Stop snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loudly. Billy and Blake will wake him up. Please repeat. They shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. They play Grandpa's instruments. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. They spin Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. They dance to Grandpa's music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. They style Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Please repeat. Billy and Blake are tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. Please repeat. Grandpa wakes up. Who is snoring so loudly? He asks. Please repeat. Right, well done.